Tired of drowning in Follow Up Boss data? Let's turn that chaos into crystal clear insights by connecting it to the power of Google Sheets. First, you'll need to access the Follow Up Boss API. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Head over to your Follow Up Boss account and navigate to the admin section. Within the admin menu, look for API keys or integrations. Click on it and generate a new API key specifically for your Google Sheets integration. Keep this key safe. You'll need it shortly. Now, hop over to Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. This will be your data hub. Next, open the extensions menu, select App Script, and brace yourself. It's time for a little scripting magic. In the App Script editor, you'll need to input the script that fetches data from Follow Up Boss using your API key and populates your Google Sheet. You can find a sample script online, tailor-made for this integration. Make sure to replace the placeholder for the API key with the actual key you generated earlier. You'll also need to specify which Follow Up Boss data you want to pull: contacts, deals, appointments, whatever insights you crave. Run the script. You may need to authorize the script to access both your Follow Up Boss account and your Google Sheet. Once authorized, the script will pull data from Follow Up Boss and neatly organize it in your sheet. Now you can create custom charts, pivot tables, and reports, all powered by your live Follow Up Boss data. This enables you to visualize your sales pipeline, track key performance indicators, and make smarter, data-driven decisions to propel your business forward.